Umamusume, where to find user ID. Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your user ID, sometimes called the trainer ID or player ID inside the game. This is really useful if you ever need to share your ID with friends, join events, or contact support. Let's begin. First, open a game and head over to your profile section right over here, okay? This is usually found by tapping your avatar or your account icon on the main menu. Once you are inside the profile settings, okay, look for the section that shows your basic details right over here. Okay, right here, you'll see something called trainer ID. That number is your user ID or player ID in the game. Okay, we have in here your number and we can easily copy the ID over here. Okay, so your user ID is unique to your account. You might need it when adding friends, redeeming rewards, or troubleshooting issues. So it's always a good idea to know where to find it quickly. And that's it. Checking your user ID in the game is simple. Just open your profile and look for the trainer ID. I hope you found this video very helpful.